Very good morning, students. Today we are going to see the continuous topic of division of polynomials. So here we will solve some more questions today. What is the question here? Obtain all the values of 3x to the power of 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 if two zeros are root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. So since the degree of the polynomial is 4, so we need to get totally 4 zeros. So for that already 2 zeros are given for us. Zeros in the sense total whatever highest degree is there, that means zeros. Zeros in the sense factors. So totally we have made 4 factors since highest degree is 4. So here already 2 zeros are given. We need to find out another 2. So how we will do that is by making the division. Now how can we make these 2 zeros in terms of a polynomial here? So like alpha is equal to root 5 by 3 and I am using the first root as alpha, second root as beta. Beta is equal to root minus of root 5 by 3. So the formula to be obtained is x minus alpha into x minus beta. So this formula we have used since we are given 2 zeros. If 3 zeros are given, we have used x minus alpha, x minus beta and x minus gamma, some other variable we have used. So since there are only 2 zeros, we can use only this formula, that is x minus alpha into x minus beta. So it is just substitute the values now. X minus alpha is root 5 by 3 and x minus beta is minus root 5 by 3. So it will become x minus root 5 by 3 x plus root 5 by 3. So here it is in the form of a minus b to a plus b. So this can be written as a square minus b square. So answer is x square minus root and square. That's the answer. It will be x square minus 5 by 3. Now this will be our g of x, and for the given polynomial we will divide by this g of x. Let us see how to do this division. Let me take this x square minus 5 by 3 divided by 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Now here, so yesterday we learned that step 1. So we have to divide the first term here, 3x power 4, 3x to the power of 4 divided by x square. So the answer will be 3x square. So let me write here 3x square. So for clarity, let us multiply here 3x square into this total polynomial x square minus 5 by 3. Now if you observe here, 3x square into x square will be 3x to the power of 4 minus 3x square. 3x square into 5 by 3. 3 gets the answer, it is becoming 5x square. So let me write here 3x to the power of 4 minus 5x square. So I need to write on down to the x square, so it will be minus 5x square. So we need to change the symbols. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus. This to get cancelled. Next, 6x cube minus 2 plus 5 will be plus 3x square minus 10x. Next, let us see step 2. So step 2 we have to divide 6x cube divided by x square. Which we are going to get 6x. So let me write here plus 6x. So here we will do multiplication 6x into x square minus 5 by 3. So 6x into x square will be 6x cube minus 6x into 5 by 3. 3 1 3 2. So it will be 6x cube. 5 to the 10x. So minus 10. So plus will become minus, minus will become plus. This will get cancelled. The left terms are 3x square and minus 5. Next step 3. Let us write step 3 here. So step 3 is 3x square divided by x square. So the answer is 3 plus 3. So let me multiply 3 into x square minus 5 by 3. That is, it will become 3x square minus 3 into 5 by 3. This 3 gets cancelled. So it will become 3x square minus 5. Change the symbol, plus will become minus, minus will become plus, this will get cancelled. So I got the remainder as 0. So whatever the quotient we are going to get in this, we got it as quadratic equation. So we have to split this quadratic equation so that we can get the remaining two zeros. So how to split this here? This is our quadratic equation. A value is 3, B value is 6, C value is 3. Split in terms of A into C method. A into 6 is 3, 3 is 9. So 9 can be split as 3 into 3. So make sure that splitting of the middle term. How to do that means first we have to identify what is A value, B value, C value. Next we need to multiply A into C value. After doing multiplication, we can write 3 3 is 9 or else 9 1 is 9. Two options are there. So if I take 9 1 is 9, so if I add this 9 plus 1, 10, it is not at all matching. Means if I add or if I subtract these two numbers, I have to get the B value. If I add 9 plus 1, I am getting 10, but it is 6. If I subtract this, I am getting the answer is 8. 9 minus 1 is 8, but it is 6. So this is not at all useful for us. If I see this 3 3 is 9, okay, it matches the upside number. If I multiply these two numbers, it should match the upside number along with the symbol. Plus 3 plus 3 plus 9. So plus 3 will become plus 6. 3 into 3 will be 9, 3 plus 3 is 6, so it is matching. I can use this combination. So splitting only the middle term, these two terms will be as such, that is 3x square. In place of this, I can write it as plus 3x, the constant term as it is here. So whatever the number we are getting, we have to put here x. So it will become 3x, 3x. Why I am writing plus 3x means here the symbols are only plus. Nothing symbol that means we have to treat it as plus. So in this two, what I can take common? I can take 3x as common. So the left term is x plus 1. In this two, I can take it as 3 common. So the left term is x plus 1. So overall from these two, I can take x plus 1 as common. So the left term is 3x plus 3. So here we can see that x plus 1 is equal to 0. 3x plus 3 also is equal to 0. So x value will be minus 1. And here 3x is equal to minus 3. So x value will be also minus 1. So totally we have to obtain the 4 zeros. So already we have given the question 2 zeros. We have found another 2 zeros. Therefore, the zeros of the polynomial are. So what are the zeros here? Root 5 by 3. Next, minus root 5 by 3. The next one is minus 1 comma minus 1. So these are the 4 roots. Since we have degree as 4, so it will be having 4 roots. Let us see the next question. if two zeros of the polynomial x to the power of 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35 are 2 plus or minus root 3, find other zeros. So here also two zeros are given and here also another two zeros. Why? Because the degree is 4. So degree 4 means we have to obtain totally 4 zeros. So let alpha, first root is 2 plus root 3, beta, another root is 2 minus root 3. Here plus or minus is there now. First of all I am treating it as plus, second time I am treating it as minus. So if two roots are there, we can take it as x minus alpha into x minus beta. So if I substitute, it will become x minus 2 plus root 3. Next, x minus 2 minus root 3. So if I open the minus, it will become x minus 2 minus root 3. Here it is x minus 2 plus root 3. Now observe carefully here. This and this we can treat it as A, the left term is B. So if you observe here clearly, this is in the form of A minus B into A plus B. A minus B into A plus B, this can be written as A square minus B square. So x minus 2 whole square minus root 3 whole square. So this I write first here. A minus B whole square is A square minus 2AB. 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square minus root 3 square is normal. So it will become x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 will be 1. So we got a polynomial whose degree is 2, which is a quadratic polynomial. Now this whatever we got by using x minus alpha into x minus beta, that we will take it as g of x. Now based on this g of x, we will start dividing this polynomial. We will get the remaining two zeros. Here let us do x square minus 4x plus 1 divided by x to the power of 4 minus 6x cube 26x square plus 138x minus 35. So let us start doing division. Step 1. X to the power of 4 divided by x square. X square, we have to multiply this. So here x square on normal term we can multiply easily. X square into x square, it will become x to the power of 4 minus 4 into x, 4x, okay, let me write here. X square into x square minus 4x plus 1. So this can be written as x to the power of 4 minus 4 x square into x will be x cube plus x square. So x minus 4 x cube plus x square. Change the symbol, plus will become minus. This will get x. So minus 6x cube plus 4x cube. It will be minus 2x cube. Minus 26 minus 1, it will be minus 27 x square. Next, let us see the step 2 now. So, first term is minus 2x cube divided by x square. So, it will be minus 2x. Minus 2x. So, let me multiply here minus 2x into x square minus 4x plus 1. So it will become minus 2x cube minus into minus plus 2 4 the 8 x into x square minus 2x. So minus 2x cube plus 8x square minus 2x. This also we can bring down. So minus will become plus, plus will become minus, minus will become plus. This will get cancelled. So minus 27 minus 8, it will be minus 35x square plus 140x minus 35. Next, we will see step 3. So in step 3, minus 35x square divided by x square. So it will be minus 35. So minus 35. We can directly multiply 35 into x square minus 35 x square. 35 into 4, 148. 35 1 35. See the symbols. So all are going to get cancelled. Now, when we are doing like this division, we are getting a quadratic polynomial with the coefficient. So that is x square minus 2x minus 35. So based on this quadratic, we can expect that we are going to get under 2 zeros from this quadratic polynomial. So as we have done previously, splitting of the middle term we have to do. A value is 1. Why? Because nothing is there in front of what is coefficient of x square is 95. So we can treat it as 1. And moreover, why I am treating it as 1 means plus 1 means because the symbol is not at all there. So here b value is minus 2, c value is minus 35. Now a into c, which is 1 into minus 35 is minus 35. So 35 we have to split. So only two options are there. We can split it as 5 7s or 7 5s, 35 1s. So if I consider 35 1s, so 35 plus 1 36. It is not matching with b value. 35 minus 1 34. It is not at all matching with b value. So this is not at all fit for our solution. Now, if I multiply this 5 into 7, I am getting 35, but here symbol is minus. So since the symbol is minus, at least one should be minus in this two. So if I treat minus 5 and here plus 7, 5 into 7, 35 minus into plus minus. Okay. If I do addition of this, I have to get the b value. So minus 5 plus 7, we will get it as plus 2, but here it is minus 2. So I have to alter the symbol. Here it will be plus, here it will be minus. So 5 7 is 35, plus into minus minus, it is satisfied. If I add this to 5 minus 7, answer is minus 2. So this is the perfect one. Now, first term as it is, instead of middle term, we have written it as plus 5x minus 7x minus 35. So in this two, we can take x as common, x plus 5, and in this two, we can take minus 7 common, x plus 5. So after taking common, once you verify whether it is matching with upstairs, 7 into x, 7x, minus into plus, minus 7 5 35. So overall from these two, I can take x plus 5 as common. So what is that term here? X minus 7. So this will be x plus 5 is equal to 0, x minus 7 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 5, x is equal to 7. So totally we have obtained remaining 2 zeros. Already I have given in the question 2 zeros. We have obtained another 2 zeros. So totally the 4 zeros we will write it down. So the 4 zeros are 2 plus or minus root 3. Already that is there in the question. Another 2 what we have found it? Minus 5 and 7. So this is the way of finding all the zeros of the given polynomial. Let us see the next one type. Check whether the first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial. So whenever he is giving for us two polynomials and he is asking us to check the factor, What is the meaning of taking the factor? I will divide first polynomial divided by second polynomial. If I am getting the remainder as 0, I will call it as a factor. Otherwise, I will not call it as a factor. So remainder should be 0. While I am doing division, if I am getting the remainder as 0, then I will call it they are the factor. So first polynomial is the factor of second polynomial. Otherwise, it is not a factor. So let me take a question. X square minus 1. This is the first polynomial, second polynomial. X power 4 minus 4x square plus 10x minus 3. This is the second polynomial. So I am going to check whether this first polynomial is the factor of second polynomial or not. So by checking this, we have two options. Either we can directly substitute the value, or else we can go with the division method. So let us do the division method first. So here x square minus 1 divisible by x to the power of 4 minus 4x square plus 10x minus 2. So here step 1, x power 4 divided by x square, so it will be x square into x square, x to the power of 4, x square 1, x square. So plus will become minus, minus will become plus, into get cancel. Now, if you observe here, previous class I said that x to the power of 4 is there, but x cube is missing. So x cube is missing means I have read actually 0x cube. But while I am doing multiplication here, x square into x square, I am getting directly x to the power of 4. Next term I am getting directly x square. So if I keep 0x cube also, not keep also, no use here. So that's the reason I am not allowed to use it. So minus 4 plus 1, it will be minus 3x square plus 10x minus 3. Let us see step 2. So in step 2, minus 3x square divided by 3x square. So the answer is minus 3. Minus 3x square plus 3. So minus will become plus, plus will become minus. So I am getting some remainder, that is 10x minus 6. Since I am getting the remainder as 10x minus 6, I am not getting the remainder as 0, I can call it as, therefore x square minus 1 is not a factor of x to the power of 4 minus 4x square plus 10x minus 3. So when I can call it as a factor, if I am getting the remainder as 0, then I can call it as a factor. Otherwise, it is not a factor. Okay. Another important thing. So from this type, any one question may be asking in the examination. In your board examination, they will be asking. So we have to be very thorough with this division of the polynomial. Can x square minus 1 be the remainder? Can x square minus 1 be the remainder of the polynomial x minus 1? So, if I am talking like this, so this is the remainder polynomial and this is the given polynomial P of x. Here, how can, we cannot even do division here. Why? Because the degree of the polynomial is 1 and degree of the remainder is 2. So, such case is not at all possible. So, we have to say that can x square minus 1 be the remainder? No. You have to say that no, x square minus 1 cannot be the remainder. So what is the condition for the remainder here? Degree of R of x must be always less than degree of g of x. So this is very important. Okay? It should be less than or equal to. This condition you have to write. So very important. Thank you all.